Hey, it's my birthday and I want you to benefit. Between now and November the 20th, I'm opening the vault to my best business boosting training programs at 50% off. These fantastic trainings will do 3 things for you depending on where you are in your business and what would make the biggest positive difference in having the B&B business and lifestyle that you truly desire. The bottom line is these powerful, proven programs work dramatically, safely and surprisingly easy wherever you are in your B&B business journey. So what if you're established and need fresh new bookings now? Or what if you're fine now, but you know that you have a gap in the coming weeks that you cannot say with confidence that you know you'll fill? I've got you covered. I've been there and will never forget that feeling. And that's what led me to create bundle number 1, which I call the Fast and Easy Bookings This Week Boosters. I call them that because they really are that powerful and that fast, and they're fun. And that's just not me saying that, my clients and students say the same, even this year and even last year. These are the same powerful strategies that enabled one client in Canada to generate $3,000 in new bookings just last week. And another client, also in Canada, brought in $1,500 also in 1 week this month. On the other hand, what if you need help getting guests who are willing to pay what you're really worth? What if you're not even sure or confident of what to charge? Boy, oh boy, I really hear you. I faced this battle myself when I first opened my doors and knew that I had to overcome it or I would just be on an endless treadmill that would grind me into the ground and with little or nothing to show for all my hard work. Believe you me, this is such a painful issue for the vast majority of B&B owners, whether you're new or even if you've been operating for years. So I've created birthday bundle number 2. Know your true worth and get paid for it happily. That's what the short yet powerful programs and tools in this bundle will show you how to do. It's totally life-changing. Like Eric, who went from charging $150 a night to $700 a night once he understood the value of what he offers. And last, but definitely not least, what if bringing in bookings just fine and you're even getting paid what you're worth, but you're still working far too hard? Boy, do I know that story too, and so do many clients whom I've helped escape from this private nightmare. Knowing how to operate your business without it driving you into the ground is absolutely vital for your health and sanity and your relationships too. So in birthday bundle number 3, having a peaceful B&B that lets you live your life, I've put together 3 essential courses that will show you how to tame the operational side of your business so that you can run your B&B smoothly and profitably and live happily. Honestly, it will feel like a glass of water in the desert. Like Maria and Andy, when they finally decided to put strong boundaries in place and stick to them, their lives were totally transformed. Whichever of these 3 birthday bundles you decide will really help you have a much more profitable and lower stress business in 2023, you can get them for 50% off until November 20th. And as an extra special bonus, when you purchase 1 or more of these valuable bundles, you'll be invited to our private online group where you can ask questions and get personal help from me and my team. That means you'll never be on your own trying to figure stuff out. Again, I know that feeling and I'll bet you do too. It's horrible, right? We don't want that for you. So if you get 1 or more of these terrific birthday bundles, we'll be right there with you to help you with your questions and to give you feedback as you put these programs to work for you. Okay, now it's time to take a breath and ask yourself, what has it felt like this year to run my B&B? What do I really want it to feel like going forwards? Which of these things we've talked about would be really welcome in your business and in your life right now? And how much of a relief will it be knowing that you'll also have direct access to me and my team to answer all your questions as you put these powerful, proven strategies to work for you. So in that spirit, I really want you to have the B&B business and the life that you dreamed of when you started on this journey. And I can assure you it really is possible, and I'll help you to get there. All you have to do is to take my help. These strategies that I'm offering you here today will bring you more bookings, more money, and more peace of mind than anything I know. And faster, more simply, and more enjoyably too. I want that for you, and that's why I'm making you this special 50% off special offer on these programs, and it's good until November the 20th. And as always, you have my full money back guarantee if you're not happy. So go ahead, choose what's really right for you, and as they say, I'll see you on the inside.